When the machine is placed the suitable place well and insert the spring gun well, then you can connect the power. The power supply is 220 voltage, single phase, 2 wires for the air switch. Then the power indicator will be light. You can click the green button to start the machine. Or click the right button to stop the machine. This switch is control the conveyors the on, off. On, then the conveyor will be go wrong. When it not want to stop, you can put it in off. Then the conveyor will be stopped to run. These two switches is to control the positive or negative rotation. When we put the switch on or on, then this area will be rotation quickly clockwise. This switch is control the negative rotation switch, and put it on, then this area will be rotation anti-clockwise quickly. This switch is to control the spring guide switch. Spring guide 1 on, off. Spring guide 2 on, off. Spring guide 3 on, off. All other area is 6, 4, 7, 6 spring guide. This switch is to control the spring guide's air compressor. Normally it will be at 1.5. This screw you will put it up, then screw it to control the spring guide's air compressor. Put it on, up, and screw it. Different guide will have different spotter. You can adjust the spring guide's direction or its location up and down. This mini spring machine has 1, 2, 3, 4 spring guide, or you can have 6 or 8 spring guide or spotter.